Okay, here we go. We're gonna get back into our bees again. We haven't been into them in a few weeks now. And I purposely sort of left them alone, hoping they'll make some honey. And I'm trying to get my other glove on here. But so we get this hive checked out. I'm gonna check out the hive that's been here with me the longest. When I checked it last time, it didn't really have anything in a super. It didn't look like the bees were making any honeycomb or anything like that. But I'm hoping today, you know, they've been plenty of stuff for them to eat and to make honey with. So I'm gonna try to hopefully look inside and see what we got. So let's see what we're gonna do here. So I've got a queen excluder. You can see it right here. And again, I'm hoping they're making some honey in this top super here. So we'll see what we get. So it didn't look like a whole lot. Let's see what we got here. Push them down a little bit. So they're not even making honeycomb. A little disheartening. Kind of weird. They're not doing a whole lot. Nope. So this hive, for whatever reason, is not making any honey whatsoever in the super. So we'll go ahead and pull this bad boy off and see if we can find out what they're doing underneath this queen excluder. They sure aren't doing much above it. This cell looks good and full. Looks like some good capped honey there. Let's see what we can get out of this. Oh, yep, there's definitely some in there. But they're starting to cap some of it. So go ahead and put that back down. Let's look at this other, whoops. This other cell here, this other frame, I should say. Kind of heavy. You can see what they're doing there. So they're putting certainly some honey in there. But again, not as much as I was hoping to see for this particular hive. Here's another heavy frame. You can see they're making all kinds of honey and stuff in there. But we'll put that back in there and in there. And we'll just kind of leave them alone. So, a little disappointing that they're not making any in the super. We'll go ahead and cover these guys back up and let them get back to it, I guess. Like I said, they seem to be doing pretty well. Let's check on the couple of the new hives real quick and just make sure that there's no issues there. And we'll do that there. I don't expect to see a whole lot in here, but we'll find out. You got a queen excluder here. Let me turn this around. So you got a queen excluder right here. And so these two are supers, and of course this is the main chambers. So I don't know, I don't expect to see a whole lot. No, not a whole lot of activity. So we'll take that guy off. Again, this one is making some honeycomb in the super though. That's a good sign. Look at there. A little bit of honey. And that's what you want right there. That's exactly what you want. So the new hive is actually making honey in the supers, whereas the old hive is not. They're keeping it all down in the, I guess what you'd say the main chamber. And that's a good sign. It's good to see. Let me get this other frame out so you can see this one. So they're kind of, I'll rip that out a little bit, but you can see that they're making some honey, which is very good. We'll put that guy back in here. We do this. The comb is out of place there. So pull that back in. So I'm not going to go down in the main chambers today. Again, I'm just looking for honey. And so actually quite encouraged by this new hive. Just got them in late March and they're already putting honey in the super, which is very, very good. So we'll go with that. And we'll go over and check this other hive real quick. And you may have seen some smoke in the background there. I did have my smoker with me just in case things got a little crazy, but the bees seem to be doing okay today, so don't really need to have it. So again, very quiet here, which one would expect. I don't see much going on in here at all. Let me try this super here, see if there's anything going on. No. So lots of bees, which is good. Looks like they're going to be a strong hive, but really no honey in this one at all. But that's all right. We'll get some later in the year or something. All right, well, I think that's it. We just, again, want a quick checkup. Bees look healthy, look like they're doing all right. Again, I wish I could get more out of the other hive, but maybe we'll see. Maybe they'll build it up a little bit more. All right, thanks.